You guys, I think we caught Nike lying once again because we already know the plan was to never make this shoe a limited release. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with rock, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, that we get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. Real quick, before we get into today's video, I am so thankful I was able to show you guys the studio that I have been working on for like 2 months now and put a lot of money into. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought of the studio, and of course the video of the Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick after brick. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys don't want to write out anything long or anything like that, just put W or L. Let me know. I'm really curious what you guys thought, because again, a lot of thought and a lot of effort went into that. There's still a couple minor things I want to do, but you guys, I don't know if you all have noticed or anything, but I've started kind of pulling things from right in here in the sneaker room and everything, and as we start to transition into the studio and everything, I'm so thankful for everything. You guys already know that. It's definitely been a crazy, I think we've been in here for like 3 years almost, so kind of crazy, but I'm definitely thankful to as far as this has gone. But again, I thought it was time for something new, something a little more serious, I guess, and again, something that I really wanted to show how serious I was about changing up everything and how serious I was about taking this channel to the next level, just like I always tell y'all. And again, I wanted to do something just kind of, actually, it was a big project, can't really lie. So definitely super glad to actually have that done. Again, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Continue to hit the like button, continue to hit the share button. Everything counts, everything pushes the video out into the algorithm. Every hype that you guys give it, if you guys are on mobile, helps me out. Again, it is all free. We are trying to do a lot of crazy things on the channel. Stay tuned. We've got some more stuff on the way for you guys. And again, a couple of videos I have coming up, I think I really messed up. So let me know in the comment section down below what y'all thought of the studio. But today's video, you guys, what we are talking about, of course, is some news that we got this morning. And I have to say, I think Nike was lying all along. I never really bought this idea that this was going to be some limited release and everything like that. It's going to be during the holiday time, and they pushed it back a day to put it on a Saturday instead of Black Friday. I honestly just never bought that. I'm gonna be honest. I never really bought that this was going to be a limited release. And again, we're talking about the Air Jordan 4 Bred that is coming out this November. Again, it was reported here lately, it was SNEAKERHEADS and everybody put out that it is no longer expected to be a limited release, with stock going potentially past the 2025 Black Cat 4. I gotta be honest, I thought that's how it was gonna go the whole time. You know, I've always told people, you know, yeah, maybe it's reported that it's gonna be a super limited release, but that sneaker in particular makes no sense why it would be limited. I'm gonna be honest, like, that shoe is going to sell. Again, in an OG look and everything, I'm gonna be honest, it wouldn't be the best idea to make that shoe limited. Now again, I think it is going to also be a shoe that is probably going to sit right at retail and has the potential to sit, but the number of shoes that they could sell day one, again, is going to make most of the money back. So I think if a few pairs sit here or there, they're not going to worry about it. But I never really bought this idea that the Bred 4 was going to be a limited release. Like, that doesn't make sense. Why would you make a shoe that everybody and their mother loves? Like, quite literally, everybody loves the shoe. Why would we do that? It doesn't make much sense. So that's just my idea of it, what I thought was going to happen, and ended up happening. So again, this is one that I think everybody's going to be able to get. Again, I'll have it early, of course, just like I have everything else early to show you guys. But this is definitely one that you guys, I just do not think was ever going to be a limited release. It just doesn't make sense. I think Nike was trying to build the hype for the shoe, and I honestly think that they kind of knew all along that this is not how it was going to go. And again, good for them. I'm proud of them for actually coming out months prior and saying that it's not. But again, I want everybody to be able to get this shoe because, again, with it coming out in OG specs and OG shape and having the white piping and everything, it's dope. It really is dope. But I just think that they're trying to create too much of a hype behind it. And again, that's great and everything. You know, you want to do that to help it sell better. But that shoe itself doesn't need the hype. It really doesn't. This is one that is going to continue to sell probably till the end of time. Like there's people that love the Jordan 4 Bred. I'm one of them. I have 2 pair of the Breds and also 2 pair of the Reimagined Breds. So I have enough Breds to go around, and I will probably still get 2 or 3 of that one as well. So again, that's just my opinion. I don't think this was ever going to be a limited release. And if it was, that was going to be a huge mistake. I just don't think that was ever going to be a thing. I really don't. This is something that at the end of the day, if you guys bought it, then hey, you bought it, and now you guys are going to be happy because you're going to be able to get them. But if you're somebody like me, I never really thought that was going to be the case. And again, if it was, hey, it just would have been a little bit more expensive and had resell and this and that. But in my opinion, you guys, I think we caught Nike lying once again. They were just kind of trying to build that hype up a little bit. And yeah, that's just unfortunately kind of how it goes. But hey, that's business for you. That's marketing for you. And Nike is quite literally the best at it. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought. Do you guys think we caught Nike lying once again? Are they doing something completely different? I got a lot of videos planned for you guys. I have a lot of ideas that I want to, of course, share with you all. This is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of videos, a lot of content making, a lot of hours shooting. So again, every like counts, every comment counts. I appreciate all the love we got on the Nigel video. Continue to show that video love. Absolutely crazy shoe. I think it is dope. I think it's one that is going to be in contention for sneaker of the year. Will they go back to back? Who knows? But it's something that we're definitely going to see about. Let me know in the comment section down below again what y'all thought of the studio. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. And again, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace.